road still warm where the sun laid down. Mailboxes lean like tired men. Every house knows my family name. Every door remembers when I learned my prayers from broken hands, from stories nobody tells. This is where it all runs out. I've got a few things left to say myself. The sky ain't falling fast or loud, it's just running out of reasons now. If this is the end of the world, let it hear me clear. I did what I could with the years I was given. I loved too late, I stayed too near, carried the weight of what was forgiven. If the ground goes still and the lights go cold, let it be known before the dark unfurls. I wasn't brave, I wasn't bold, but I showed up at the end of the world. There's a field where the fences quit, where my father swore he'd leave. He stayed long enough to teach me how regret learns how to breathe. I kept my promises folded neat, like letters I never sent. Some truths rot if you don't speak them before the future's spent. The road goes quiet, the sky lets go. That's all I know.
I wasn't handed a language for the quiet I carry inside. No borrowed answers, no family halo, just questions I learned how to breathe on their own. Watch me slip through other people's hands like something they never chose. So I built mine slowly when nobody told me how it should look. I don't kneel to echoes, I don't wait for permission. I listen when my pulse says this matters. This is my private ceremony. No witnesses, no decree. Just a moment I show up fully and treat myself gently. No choir, no apology, no promise of heaven for me. Just a vow I keep quietly. This is my private ceremony. Stay small. Some Sometimes belief is just saying I'm allowed to be here at all. I don't need a symbol to know what I'm holding. I know the weight of my own name in my mouth. This is my private ceremony. No witnesses, no decree.
I missed the bus, took the long way home. Coffee went cold, phone died on its own. You were late for reasons you won't explain. Too loose and standing in the rain. If I'd been early, if you'd stayed in bed, we'd be strangers passing instead. Funny how the math never adds up clean. Life keeps leaning into in-between. What are the odds we'd end up here? Out of all the days, out of all the years. One small step, one wrong turn. Every lesson we didn't learn. I don't believe in fate or gods, but I still ask, what are the odds? I said yes when I meant to say no. You said stay when I planned to go. Every choice felt paper thin, a breath away from wearing out. I've seen plans fold like borrowed maps, heard hope knock, then double back. I was counting losses, keeping score. You were standing at an open door. What are the odds we crossed that line? Two half lives matching up in time. Misconnections, borrowed scars, learning who we really are. I don't trust luck, I never have. Still I'm asking, what are the odds? Somewhere there's a version of me who never stayed, never believed. Somewhere you kept walking straight, never tested time and never waited. I don't know him, he don't know you. I guess we're proof of what might break through. What are the odds we get this far from who we were to who we are? All the maybe stacked against every almost that never met.